How to add business location on Snapchat map. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add business location on Snapchat map. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, at the bottom, tap on this location icon from the left corner. Once you tap on it, you will reach to the Snap map. From here, navigate to the area where your business is located on this map. Also, you can tap on the settings icon from the top right. And from here, scroll all the way down. There you will find Suggest a Place option. Tap on it. And here, now you can suggest a place or add business location on Snapchat. Here you can enter the name of the place. And in this map, tap on it and locate the exact location. Once you do so, here you will need to add the category of the location you're adding. In the second one, you will need to add the attributes. Tap on it to open it, and from the list you can select the one that matches the location. Also, you can add the hours or time when the location is opened. You'll also find the field to add the website of the place and the phone number. You can also add photos for valid location. Once doing that, you will need to tap on this Submit button right at the bottom to submit your business location for review. And follow all the additional prompts to complete the submission process. Once the request is submitted, Snapchat will review it, and if it is correct, it will be added in the Snapchat location. And once your business location is added, it will appear on the Snapchat map for users to discover. So by following these steps, you can add your business location to the Snapchat map, making it easier for Snapchat users to find and interact with your business. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.